Internet technologies using Netiquette rules. Netiquette rules are rules that you use when you create an email. These are general rules to be cautious and concise. Let's look at the email that has been created in Outlook. Let's see what we have here. We have an email address, a subject line. Let's look at the subject line and see whether it makes sense. It is here, laugh out loud. A rule in Netiquette is to insert a subject line that has a reference to the email. Let's look at the attachment. Number 1, the attachment says very dangerous. So any user that would want to open this attachment would be scared that there might be a virus. Look at the size of the attachment. It is currently 12 megabytes. That would mean that the person on the other side will have to wait a very long time before it can open. Let's see what the rules of Netiquette says here. Do not send attachments with viruses. Also, limit the attachments to less than 2 megabytes. Besides the point that it takes long to download, it also uses up a lot of data from the receiver. Let's look at the email. Did you note that there is no greeting line? Always add a greeting line before you start the email. Reading through this email, you note that there are capital letters for connecting. There is no relevance to these capital letters. Therefore, do not use capital letters unnecessarily. That could mean that you are shouting at the user on the other side. Reading the second line, I would appreciate it if you would hit like on my Facebook page and I will like yours or else I'll poke you. This is very unprofessional. Seeing that this could be a professional email, this is not relevant. Do not become personal in an email. Read the next sentence. Please do use Sam as a distribution agent. He is not very reliable. Besides the fact that this person is gossiping, he or she is also not using the correct grammar, which makes this sentence not understandable. I have attached the VGA document. Two problems with this sentence. There's a spelling mistake in attached. Note the previous spelling mistake. Also, this person is indicating that the VGA document is attached. This would confuse the receiver on the other side. Thank you for the connection. Now, we are not sure whether this is a professional email or a personal email. Note the next one, MYSB. This is an abbreviation that is not understandable. Do not use abbreviations that the person on the other side would not understand. Note the last one, this is not spam. Do not send spam messages. This is not professional. Note that there is no end line. Therefore, you do not know where this email is coming from or who this person is that sent this email. Be very cautious when you send emails. You would not want this email to offend the user on the other side. Therefore, it is advisable to always use Netiquette rules.